I'm going to tell you in this video how to get the person that you desire. Yeah, I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to tell you absolutely how to do this. I know you might have somebody that you want to get back, or somebody that you want, to love you, or a certain situation. We're going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about love, relationships, getting that person to love you. You ready? Let's go. Welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through those fears and live an amazing life. Are you ready to find the love of your life? Maybe you know who that is. Now, I get these comments all the time. Landria, how do I get this person? I'm being very respectful of their free will. How do I get them to love me? Is there something else I need to do? Yeah, back off. You know what? When you are trying too hard and you're desiring something, you are absolutely not putting them first. And when you put somebody else first, you will see a reaction by that person, from that person, that's unlike any other. Because when you're trying to get something, you're trying to control things that absolutely, in a material world, cannot work for you. Why? Because you are trying to force something beyond free will. You are trying to take control on a lower frequency of I want, the ego wants, instead of what will be, will be. And when you are that person and you're with another person, this one person that wrote me said the person they want is very spiritual. All the more reason for you to just let go and be that amazing, wonderful spiritual person. Because I'm going to tell you something, as a woman who has been in these situations, ladies, you can relate to this. There's nothing worse than a guy who you really like, who is a friend of yours, who's wants something a little bit more, love relationship or whatever it is. It makes me very uncomfortable because I can't just freely be their friend. And if that's not what I desire, then I feel this pressure and it changes the dynamics of the relationship. If it is what I desire, they don't have to do anything. It's going to happen anyways, right? I'm going to make it very clear that I'm interested. So you don't have to do anything except. You have to accept that whatever's going to happen is exactly the way it should. And if that person is not going to love you, letting go will open the door for the person who's perfect for you to come in. And you're wasting your time on somebody that does not want you in their life in that role. They have somebody else in mind. They have somebody else that they want to bring into their life, a type of person or a type of situation. So if you really love them, would you encourage that? Yeah. Do you really love them? No. No, that's not love. That's not love when you must love me. I've had people write me, you will love me. I do. I love all of you. I don't want to spend my time with some of you. I don't want to marry you. I don't want to marry anybody. Very happy person, by the way. And so we get these people that think you know this person too, right? You don't know. We don't know people. No one really knows another person. When you let go of somebody and you become your best, and let's say you still desire, it's okay to desire that and love that person, want a romantic relationship with them. But letting go, that's really appealing. If you really want to get a girl or a guy, let it go. Don't be desperate. Don't be pushing. Oh, wow. You mean we could date? I didn't know that. Oh, like they don't know that this is an opportunity for them? They know. If they're not doing anything, there's a reason why. Is there something I'm missing? What do I need to do? You know what? Be you, because if you're faking anything else, big turn off. Don't be anybody but yourself. If you're a goofball, be a goofball. Maybe all of a sudden they'll think, wow, this person has been acting so cool and perfect, and now they're being goofy. I love it. If it's meant to be, it will. If you can let go of everything in your life and say, you know what? If something changes, I'm supposed to be someplace else because I am actually requesting that to the universe. I do it with my business all the time. I'm going through a transition right now where I'm having to be a different type of business person. So the things that I've been doing, all of a sudden, some of them are not working like they used to. That's because I'm not supposed to be doing that anymore. In order for me to achieve my goals that I'm putting out there, I must now function in a different way. So I'm on here finding out what that is. You may not know what it is. You may not know who that person is. But you know that you want and desire certain things in your life. And when you let go of that, the universe will start taking you. So this relationship you've been trying so hard to get starts to fall apart because you're pushing something that is not meant to be. It's not what you desire in your head, because that person that you're desiring in your head isn't that person that you think is perfect for you. It's over here with a different name and a different body. All right? So what you're desiring, that is just a facade. It's the essence of the person that you desire. What about that essence? Does it exist somewhere else? Of course it does. So can you let go? Hey guys, like this, I have to have that. Oh dear God. You know, that's such a turnoff. It really is. All right, so dating, relationships. If you're in Manifest Anything, I'm going to send you a survey. I want to find out what you guys want to know about. I've got some coaching on Wizio. If you want, it's down in the description, where you can actually ask me a question, and I can do emergency questions. I can answer them in 24 hours for you. I think it's like $35, and you actually get a one-on-one coaching session with me. You guys, if you're stuck, come on over. I'll help you. If you desire the help, that's what teachers are for. You are whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Please subscribe. Come on over to the Miracle Circle monthly. Come join us. Go into Manifest Anything. You guys, go check out my free videos to create businesses, start expanding, start living your lives. Go out there. You'll be amazed what's going to come to you. It's awesome. The universe always has your best interest in mind because it's just love. Sending you blessings, my friend. Namaste.